You listen to Andy Apiakubi, he said, look, we brought the man to the place, but when we looked at the situation, it was so chaotic, we had to take him back. Where did they bring him back from? Is it not Kaukudi? So what were we coming to look for at BNI headquarters when we knew that the man was not there? We were coming to just fund the thing and show our face to the camera and speak into the microphone. How do you build a nation behaving like that when you know what you have to do? If we really cared about Chairman Wontumi, the very first day the matter came up that he had to satisfy a 50 million bill condition, we would have gone to the court and said where the MP sat and where they rallied supporters to come and join them to sit. When you turn to the right, you are going to the Supreme Court. You turn to the left, you are going to the High Court. They walk past the High Court to come and sit on the floor. It should tell you the motive and the intention. It should tell you the motive and intent. Look, let's listen to lawyer Apiakubi. Let's listen to him.
Doing everything. If you use the way to do it, you will do it as expected. So you don't start throwing stones when you want to enter the house. This is
Sunrise,
what is the time?
On 3FM,
this is
the best in the morning.
8 o'clock. But we've gotten public officers still stay here and wait for us. It depends on how you conduct the business. So we have been seen by the public officers. We've done what is dutifully our job to do with Dennis. We encountered some difficulty which will be sorted out on Monday. Then we'll have a fresh slate to operate. We will work towards the desired results. I beg you, all of you, I will stay out of the politics and the theater, and I'll do the work within the law. I thank you very much for your support.
Just one question. Do you know the whereabouts of your clients?
Oh, yes. Why not?
Where is he?
We had brought him to meet with Vice President, but the situation we saw was difficult to arrange this meeting, to pass through the crowd to get Vice President, see him and talk to him. So we had to take him back, and I told you that his condition of health requires attention. So he's receiving attention. He is wholly good, he is wholly healthy, and there's nothing to worry about in respect of his health.
Secure the bail now?
We have been able to provide the sureties. That's
Sunrise on 3FM,
and
the
I'm
best
very
in
grateful
the morning.
to Honorable Brian Champon, who has supported me to file the documents. He has brought his documents to which goes over and above the value of money that is required. So I thank you very much.
So that means your client is going home tonight?
Oh, well, obviously no.
So when?
I told you that we encountered a challenge. The challenge that needs to be addressed before we can go forward. In fact, they had agreed to do the inspection tonight. So all the officers are there. But the challenge that I faced is legal. We can't do it because... But I'm grateful to them. They agreed to wait for us to bring the documents for them to go and inspect the properties. But we have a legal challenge. Unknown to me, there was an application to frustrate what we are doing. So we will deal with it on Monday. I say it is application that was not filed by my good self, but that prohibits us.
Is that what you're holding?
That is what I'm holding.
Specifically, what is it about?
I'm not showing you.
Sure. So hopefully by Monday your client will be free.
Hopefully by Monday, when this application is withdrawn, then we'll proceed to complete what.
So this was from the horse's own mouth, and thanks to Joy News, we had to get that from them. Now, somebody asked me, the very people who urge everybody to go to court if you disagreed with something that had been done. When you complain about something, they go to court. You complain about something, they go to court. The very people who could go to court the very same day, get judges empaneled and get the matter heard immediately. Remember the parliamentary thing? You remember? now cannot find their way to the court. Is it not strange? Now have missed the way to the court, walk past the court and even forget that it's the court. Is it not strange? Let me wrap up with this. Look, find me Prophet Kofi Odro's video. And I would have been very disappointed if Yoko had caved into the noise and the din on the streets. I would have been so disappointed in Yoko, because that was their game plan. Start with this one, and every single person that is picked up for whatever corruption or corruption-related activity, fraud or whatever it is that the institution suspect and they want to investigate to ascertain whether you have a question to answer or not, whether you are guilty or not guilty, whether you are liable or not liable, that would have been the strategy. As soon as